Hey there, science explorers! Today we're diving into the super small world of atoms and molecules. Think of the smallest thing you can imagine, like a grain of sand. Now imagine something way, way tinier. That's an atom, the basic building block of everything around us. Atoms are so small you can't even see them with a regular microscope. Everything in the universe, from your phone to your pet hamster, is made of atoms. They're like tiny Lego bricks that make up everything we see and touch. Atoms are everywhere and they're important for everything. Pretty cool for something so tiny, right? Okay, so atoms are small, but what are they made of? Zoom in with your imaginary microscope and you'll find even tinier particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons hang out together in the center of the atom, which we call the nucleus. Protons have a positive charge, like the plus sign on a battery. Neutrons have no charge, they're neutral, like Switzerland. Whizzing around the nucleus are electrons. They have a negative charge like the minus sign on a battery. Electrons are super fast and are always on the move. Atoms like to be social, so they combine with other atoms to form molecules. Think of it like this. Atoms are like individual letters, while molecules are like words. For example, a water molecule, H2O, is made when two hydrogen atoms, H, bond with one oxygen atom, O. It's like snapping two H Legos onto a single O Lego to create a new, bigger piece. Oxygen, the gas we breathe, O2, is a molecule made from two oxygen atoms bonded together. Carbon dioxide, CO2, the gas we exhale, has one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Molecules are everywhere. So why should you care about atoms and molecules in biology? Well, all living things are made up of these tiny particles. They're the key ingredients in everything from your DNA to the air you breathe. For example, plants use photosynthesis to turn sunlight into energy. This process involves the rearranging of atoms in molecules like carbon dioxide and water to create sugar, glucose, for the plant to use as food. From building cells to digesting food, life relies on the interactions of atoms and molecules. Understanding these tiny players is essential to understanding how life itself works.